Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you the process of installation of Discord on your PC. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's go. Now in order to install Discord app on your computer, you must first download the application from the internet. So open your browser and on the search bar hit search for Discord. Okay, and hit enter. And you can see at the top of the search result page, you can see discord.com, which is the official site for Discord. And let's download it. You can see a button download for Windows or download on the homepage of discord.com. Now let's download it, or you can just open it in a browser. For now, we'll be installing it. So downloading may take a few seconds. Solo with me. Okay, and it has been downloaded, and you can directly install from by opening it or going to your download folder. Press Ctrl J for opening the download folder, and you can see on another tab we have downloaded Discord. Now let's click it, and it will take a few minutes to load the app. And what if after you click, have you clicked it once, it will start installing on its own. It's this easy to set up Discord on a computer, guys. Okay, may take a few more minutes to appear the box of the Discord. So okay guys, it's here. It took a few minutes to appear. Now after you have clicked it once, it will automatically start installing. Now this easy to install Discord on your PC, and let the installation process be completed. Okay, and the Discord app is checking for updates starting. It took a few minutes, but it's finally started, guys. Okay, and we have successfully installed Discord on our computer now. You gotta hit your email or phone number or password to log in. And if you have not yet created a Discord account, please watch my other video where I teach you to create an Discord account, or sorry, sign up for a Discord account. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like the video, and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more videos. Peace.